Now this video will be a short tutorial to show you how you insert SIM card and SD card for the TCL 50LE, and this is variety stick. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now first of all, to be able to remove the SIM tray from the phone, you will need a tool to inject the SIM card. You can use the tool that comes in the phone in the box. Now if you don't have one, you have needle, paper clip will fit the hole in the SIM tray. It should also work. In addition to this, we will need SD card. Will be optional. The phone take SD card. We have 32, but this phone able to take up to 512. Next, we need to find out where is the SIM tray on the phone in the TCL 50LE. It should be located on the left, closer to the top, closer to the corner, as you guys can see. And also you will be able to see this hole. This is where we need to bring the SIM ejector tool and insert. Now, I didn't show you the SIM card because any total wireless phone or straight talk comes with pre-installed SIM card. So the SIM card is already inserted. So what we need to do, put this tool in the hole and just push in, and you should be able to see the SIM tray pop up from here. All you have to do, just take it out. Now I'm going to take also the SIM card and show you the SIM tray. Now if you look to the SIM tray, you should be able to see two arrows. One indicate where the SIM card goes and one indicate where the SD card go. Now the SIM card has to fit correctly and it's not going to be installed incorrectly, and let me show you. So when you insert the SIM card, you just make sure to match the SIM with the curve over here, and also the front of the SIM card where it says SD card and SIM card has to be face up. Now when you insert, you make sure also the screen face the numbers. Also we can add the SD card. Same thing with the SD card, has to go in the place. Make sure both SD card and SIM card to be nice and flat, has to be like this. Other than that, when you insert the SIM and the SD card, sometimes something will jam in and you don't want to get problems. Now once we have the SD card and the SIM card on the right place, grab your device, make sure the screen face up, and the numbers of the SIM and the size of the SD card also has to face the screen, and in your finger just push nice and gentle, and your phone now should be able to read the SIM card and the SD card. In some cases, some phone require restart, or you can turn the phone off completely before you insert the SIM card and the SD card, and then turn the phone on. Now if you have an active service on the SIM card, your phone should be able to read with no any issues. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in another video.